I've asked everyone to put their name on the screen, and two of them haven't done that. David, what is your last name?
Gomez.
Number 2 on the docket.
Thank you.
All right. It's 9:03. Court will come to order. First case is 596-849. Rafael Villarreal.
Judge, he also has court in 226 today. So they may be over there.
That includes Mr. Tochi.
Yes, sir.
All right. Did he contact you, let you know he'd be over there?
No, but I looked it up. It's on the docket that today the felony case is set 329 in the 226.
All right. Case number 611336. David Gomez.
Here, Your
Council's
Honor.
present, Judge.
Mr. Sparks. I'm sorry, Brittany Sparks is listed as attorney.
Yes, Judge. We work in the same firm. I filed a motion for co-counsel on that one.
Mr. Barrera.
Yes, Judge.
Thank you. And Mr. Gomez, you said this where? Here you are.
Here's Your Honor.
All right. Mr. Gomez, you have any light in front of you?
Not in front of me. No,
Well,
sir.
I can see a little better now.
Okay.
Mr. Barrera, what are y'all doing today?
Judge, I guess we're just resetting it for trial.
Have you conferred with the state?
Not yet, Judge, on this one. I believe the last time it's been a while. But I think the agreement was, I don't think that an agreement could be reached. So I think trial is the only option.
All righty. Patty, we set for trial.
Yes, sir.
Case 611427. Michael Vella.
Yes, sir. I'm here.
Is it double L or one L?
2 L, sir.
So it's Vella.
Yes.
Your attorney is Brittany Sparks. Mr. Barrera, are you also answering for that one, I'm sure?
I am, Your Honor.
What is the status of the case? Have you conferred with the state?
Same thing as the first one, Judge, setting this one for trial.
All right, that means there'll be no conferring after today. Case number 612001. Carlos de Hollado. Attorney is James Reeves.
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes, Judge, I'm present. Thank you, Judge. I'll check back in after my other zones.
Carlos de Hollado. Is he in?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. James Reeves, have you conferred with state?
Back in the day, we did, Judge. Mr. DeGalato wants a trial, so we're just waiting for a trial setting.
All right. Thank you, gentlemen. Patty will send you notice. Let's see.
May I be excused, Judge?
Yes, you may.
Thank you,
Take care.
Judge.
Good to see you, but stay safe.
Likewise, Judge.
623-654 is set for 1:30 this afternoon. Villarreal is dropped or what? That's with Jim Tochi, or same
Well,
case, same
It's
guy.
continues from
I
the
got you.
first one.
640290. Donald Odell. Armando Roman is attorney of record.
Good morning, Your Honor. How are you? If I can go into a breakout room and confer with the state?
Armando,
Yes, Your Honor.
let me remind you that appearances on video conference on the docket, it's like being in the courtroom. Be aware.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. You going to confer?
Yes, Your Honor.
I'll note you as conferring. You're number one to confer today. 645472. Christy Jones. Will Williams is attorney of record.
Judge, I'm also approaching on that one. Will Williams is part of the firm. He's handling cases from other misdemeanor courts, but I'm handling the one out of County Court 5. Do need to file a motion to co-counsel on that one.
All right. You want this retrial for reset for pretrial? This guy's got a felony and 1, 2, 3 other misdemeanors, it looks like.
That's correct, Judge. If you
She
could
does,
just
I'm
get
sorry.
pre-trial.
You know what the status is on the felony?
No, Judge. I think that one's still pending, but trying to get that worked out as well.
The system shows it's set for trial May 5th.
This case?
Yes, sir. The
The
felony.
felony is set for trial, May 5th, sir.
Very good.
It's supposed to be worked out, like you said.
All righty. Is Ms. Christy Jones here?
Yes, sir.
You or she?
Yes, sir.
All right. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Case 649991. State versus Emily Mojica.
Good morning, Your Honor. I'm here for Hector Gonzalez, and Ms. Mujica is here as well.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am. What is the announcement? What are we doing
I'd
today?
like to confer with the state, Your Honor, if I could.
All right, you're number 2 for conference.
All right,
Thank
thank
you.
you, Your Honor.
Thank you. Set for 2 p.m. Nora Lee Alcantara. Case 654815, State versus Rochelle Mitchell. Six 54815, State versus Rochelle Mitchell. Joseph Aguilera is attorney of record. I would note him not answering, nor has his client answered. Case 654867, State versus Sarah Elizabeth Pittman.
I'm here, Judge.
Counsel's present as well, Judge.
All right. Well, what is the status of this case, Mr. Barrera?
It's an arraignment, Judge. I don't believe I have all the discovery yet. If you can reset it for pretrial conference.
Are you Sarah Pittman?
Yes, sir.
Are you the same Sarah Pittman that is charged in case number 654867 with the offense of assault and bodily injury, married?
Yes, Judge.
And at this time, Mr. Barrera, you're entering a plea of not guilty?
That is correct, Your Honor.
All right. Then consider yourself arraigned, ma'am. Mr. Barrera can explain what that is. Really just fixing ID and what your plea is. All right, it'll be reset to pretrial.
Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome. Case 656-085, excuse me, David Thurston.
Good morning, Your Honor. Nul Ortiz for Mr. Thurston. I have written him letters, reached out to him. I've never met the man. He's got a felony. I've received partial discovery. So basically, I guess we'll come back when you find him.
All right, then I'll declare him a failure to appear.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You will be treated accordingly, Mr. Ortiz. Will you be safe?
Yes, sir. Likewise.
Case 656-130, State versus Jeanette Whittington.
I'm here, sir.
Ms. Whittington,
Yes, Your Honor.
Your Honor.
Larry Meadows is attorney of record.
For Attorney Larry Meadows, we received notification on Friday that he's not available. He's in the hospital. So we just need to reset 30 days out.
Mrs. Whittington.
Yes, sir.
Have you had some contact with Mr. Meadows?
I've tried calling, but I never got a call back, Your Honor.
All right. We'll have to see what the status is with his hospitalization. We're going to reset it and send you notice.
How do I get that notice, Your Honor?
Miss Whittington, if you could put on chat your email address, and I'll send you the new reset via email.
Do you know how to do that?
No, Your Honor.
All right, hang in there. We'll give you some guidance shortly.
Okay, thank you, sir.
You're welcome. 656-161, State versus Kenneth Baskin. 656-161, State versus Kenneth Baskin. Renee Munoz is attorney of record. No answer from Mr. Munoz nor his client. Case 656-178. He is inmate. She is an inmate, Maria Rivas. And Thomas Hille is attorney of record. Mr. Hille. No answer, so noted. I suspect that we can find Maria Rivas.
She was ordered, Judge. I don't understand why they haven't logged her on yet.
Your Honor.
Yes, sir.
I believe I see Ms. Rivas labeled CC-5 Rivas.
Oh, there she is. Yeah, you're right.
-23. But her microphone is muted, so she's trying to speak to us. We can't hear her.
Rivas, get somebody to jail to help you. You're muted right now. All right, we'll see what we can arrange. Case 656-195, State versus Christopher Alvarado.
Good
Sam
morning,
Locke
Your
is
Honor.
attorney.
He's present, and Sam Locke is here for Mr. Alvarado.
Where's
This is
Sam
our-
Locke?
I'm here, Judge.
I see you. Good morning to you.
Good morning, Your Honor. I'd be happy to confer. This is our first setting. If you could put me in a breakout room with an assistant district attorney.
Mr. Alvarado been arraigned?
He has not, Your Honor. This is our first setting.
I understand. Is Christopher Alvarado?
Yes,
Speak
Your
up. Good morning to you. Are you Christopher Alvarado?
Yes, sir.
Are you the same Christopher Alvarado that's been charged with the offense of driving while intoxicated second?
Yes, sir.
And what will be your plea in this matter at this time?
We enter a plea of not guilty, Your Honor.
Very good. All right. Consider your client arraigned then. You will be conferring. You'll be number 3 on the confer list. Good to see you, Sam. I hope you and your family are safe. All right, that's it for this morning. Docket,
Your Honor, I do have a quick question.
maybe I have a quick answer.
Yeah,
Sam.
may Mr. Alvarado be excused?
Yes, since you're going to confirm, you're not expecting or considering.
I am not expecting a resolution today, Your Honor.
All right, then, Mr. Alvarado, you are excused for today. And Mr. Locke, you'll be conferring. I think you either third or
I
fourth.
will.
All right. The attorneys present may confer, beginning with Armando Roman. Mr. Edelman, are you and Ms. Morgan both available?
I believe we are both available, sir.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, Mr. Edelman, is there any particular case you want to confer on yourself? Number one is Armando Roman on Donald Odell.
I'll just take them in the order that they're assigned, sir.
All right, then I'll have you, Patty, place Mr. Roman and Mr. Edelman in first conference, and then Ms. Morgan, I'll assign you to confer with Hector Gonzalez III on in reference to Emily Mojica. And then you take them from there, Patty, in the order.
Yes, sir.
All righty. Then courts in recess while people confer.
Excuse me, Judge.
Yes, sir.
Are my clients free to go?
Unless you
David.
have an expectation of having some determination in the case, they are excused.
Okay, thank you, Judge.
You're welcome.
Judge, I have attorney Renee Munoz just logging on.
Yes, good morning, Judge.
Good morning, Mr. Munoz. It is 9:18, 9:20 rather. Where are you?
I'm here, sir.
My real question is, where have you been?
I was in jail court, Judge.
All right. I will take your word for it, then I will mark you as present, but your
It's okay.
client, Kenneth Baskin, is not.
Correct, Judge. He's not present. I spoke with him this morning. He is an indigent client. I'm trying to get him set up with Zoom, Judge. I wasn't aware that his presence was required via Zoom.
This is a docket
on
call.
me.
Mr. Munoz, it's a docket call that we're handling, so yes, he would have been expected, but I understand the circumstances. Let's see what you can arrange.
Yes, Judge.
What is your intention for today?
Yes, Judge. First time meeting on this. It's set for arraignment, I believe. Just need to speak to the DA regarding some discovery matters.
All right, well, let's find out. What's going to happen. If you can get him in, I'll arraign him. If not, we'll see what we can do.
Yes, Judge.
All righty.
Thank you.
You're going to confer with the state?
If I can, Judge, that'd be appreciated.
You'll be number 4 for conferring. 2 of them are already, 1 and 2 are already out, so.
Yes. Sounds good.
Hang in there. Shouldn't be long. All right, courts in recess. Patty, can you help the lady with?
I did, Judge. She's gone. She should be. I told her she's excused. I got her email, Miss Whittington.
Oh, yes.
I got your email. I replied that you were excused.
Oh, thank you, ma'am. Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome. Have a good day. Be safe.
Thank you, sir. You too.
right? That was a lot. Did you need me to repeat any of it?
Judge,
Yes, ma'am.
Mr. Roman and Mr. Edelman are back from the conference.
All right. We have an announcement from you guys at all? Mr. Roman, Mr. Edelman?
The state will approve an application for pretrial diversion.
So then you'll resolve the case for today?
Yes, sir. We'll
Yes, sir.
request a 30-day reset, and hopefully by the next setting, Mr. Odell will have turned in his application and it will have been reviewed and accepted by our office.
Very good.
Right.
Then in accordance with that announcement, we'll go ahead and excuse everybody. Patty, give them a 30-day reset for purposes of the application.
Yes, sir.
That'll put Mr. Alvarado.
Judge, can I go ahead and place Mr. Locke with Mr. Edelman on a to confer?
Yes, exactly.
He already went somewhere. Andrew, it's room 2.
Yes, ma'am.
Judge, Ms. Espinosa
So
and
there is
Mr.
no
Morgan are back.
file yet, and it seems that Kovac receiver Rios.
Ms. Morgan, what's the status of the case you were conferring on?
I think that Ms. Espinosa is going to talk with her client real quickly. And I don't know, I think we'll just reset it. Is that right? We're just going to reset it.
That's correct.
We're talking about Mojica?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
All right, then when we say reset, what are we talking about?
Let's reset it for 30 days. She's gonna, if she can, do you want to get a breakout room with your client or would you like to just call her?
I can, or I can, I think she's there still. Emily, are you still there?
I'm here. I got put into a breakout room.
Oh, did you? Okay.
I did, yes.
Okay, the state is giving me an update on your case. Do you want to talk to me about it or do you want to talk to Hector?
I'm sorry, somebody's talking. I can't hear very well.
If you want to go to a breakout room with me, I can give you an update, then you can talk to Hector some more. Do you want to do that?
Yes,
Okay.
please.
Patty, could you send Ms. Mojica and I to a breakout room, please?
Yeah, it's going to be breakout room 3.
Okay, perfect. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
I think Mr. Edelman is with
Mr. Locke.
yes.
So can I place Mr. Munoz with Ms. Morgan?
With Baskin?
No, Mr. Munoz, Rene Munoz, attorney?
Yes.
Yes.
His client is listed as Kenneth Baskin. Does he have a second one?
No, Judge, you said he was number 4 to confirm.
Oh, I'm sorry. Yes. Of course. Who's next?
That's all for the people to confer.
Alrighty.
So Caitlin, it's room 4.
I thought she was meeting with somebody briefly.
She's
Okay.
done conferring with.
All right. Ms. Morgan, Mr. Munoz. Ms. Morgan.
I'll be joining room 4.
All right. You
She's
are,
she's already there, Judge.
very good. All right.
I believe Mr. Degollado is excused, Judge. That was James Reeves announced jury trial, and he asked if he could be excused, and you told him yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Mr. Degollado is excused, Judge.
Yes, ma'am. So is Mr. David Gomez excused. So is Michael Vela, pardon me, double L-A. That's with Brittany Sparks. They're set for trial.
I don't know why Mr. Ortiz is still here too, unless he's trying to get a hold of his client. He declared an FTA on him.
What's the story with Joseph Aguilera? This is the second time within a week that he does not answer.
I'm gonna check to see if maybe I had reset his case and forgot to cross it out again.
Okay. Ms. Pittman is excused unless, yeah, that was reset for pretrial. Mr. Ortiz, attorney. Ms. Jeanette Whittington. By the way, this is the most females I've had on a docket that I can recall.
Judge, I have someone appearing for Larry Meadows.
All right, who would that be?
It says Larry Meadows, ESQ.
Is there an attorney appearing on behalf of Larry Meadows?
Judge, I am the attorney.
You are Larry Meadows?
Yes, I am, Judge.
Well, we received somehow a message that you were hospitalized.
I'm out.
Okay, well, I'm glad you're okay, or at least trying to be. All right.
Halfway there.
Jeanette Whittington was here. She did answer.
Okay.
You still here, Ms. Whittington?
No, sir, I got her email address and you excused her.
Okay. All right. Mr. Meadows, do you wish to confer, or as the case has been reset?
Yes, if I could confer, Judge, that'd be good.
You'll be the next on the list of conferring. You doing all right?
Okay.
Sure.
I said, okay, I'm still a little weak.
All right. I hope it wasn't COVID, or was it?
No, it wasn't COVID.
Okay. I'm not going to inquire into your personal health. Otherwise, I just wish you good health and safety from this mess we got.
Yeah,
All
appreciate
right.
it.
You'll be the next one up. Let's see. Renee Munoz is conferring, Patty?
We're back, Judge.
Okay, what's your announcement?
Your Honor, we're going to reset for 30 days. I'm going to upload the discovery this week.
Reset 30 days. All right. Then everyone is excused. Pat notices will go out accordingly. I presume
you,
that's
Judge.
reset for pretrial?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right.
Thank you, Judge. May I be excused?
Yes, you may.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. Stay safe. I think who's up now for conferring would be Mr. Meadows, Patty.
Yes, sir.
All right, Mr. Meadows, you will be assigned, Ms. Garcia will assign you shortly to one of the two state's attorneys.
All right, Judge.
Who's available right now, Patty?
Yes, well, they both are there, Judge.
All right, Mr. Edelman.
Yes, sir.
Mr.
Judge,
Larry.
I think he needs to give you an announcement on him and Attorney Sam Locke's conferring.
Do we have an announcement?
We do,
Yes,
Your
Your
Honor.
Honor.
I want to hear it.
I'll take it, Your Honor. We conferred, it was productive. I'm asking for a 30-day reset.
For?
We need
Production
to
of
produce
discovery.
Coban from the investigating officers for one, standing breath order for another,
Well,
and then,
what I'm asking is this reset for pretrial or?
oh, pretrial, sir.
All right. Then that'll be, you'll be, Ms. Garcia will take care of you. Meantime, are they excused, Patty, or do you need them
Yes,
to
sir.
hold on? All
No,
right,
I'll
you
send
guys,
out the,
Mm-hmm.
Ms. Garcia will send you notice.
Thank you. Have a good day, Judge.
You too, stay safe.
Yes, sir. Goodbye, Patty.
bye.
Ms. Garcia, then we'll have Mr. Meadows and Mr. Edelman to confer.
Yes, sir. It'll be breakout room 2. Mr. Meadows. Judge, on Miss Rivas, did you want me to try to call Mr. Gile to find out why he's not logged on?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll be right back. Your Honor,
Yes, ma'am.
I ended up leaving Attorney Thomas Healy a message. Mr. Meadows and Mr. Edelman are back from conferring.
Ready? Mr. Meadows, any announcement?
Yes, Judge, I got an offer. I need to confer with my client about it. And then we can make an announcement, whether it's a yay or a nay, when it's at the reset.
All right, and that'll be reset, felony pending at this point. How much time we're gonna give them, Patty?
Your Honor, pardon the interruption, but I don't think that Ms. Whittington has any pending felonies.
I'm sorry, I was looking at the wrong slot. It's Mr. You are correct. All right, reset to confer. 30 days.
That should do it.
Very good.
Okay, Mr. Meadows, I'm gonna send you via email the new court date, and I'm gonna include her email address along with it.
Okay, that'd be good.
Mr. Meadows, be aware that these proceedings, according to the Office of Court Administration for the state, we are to remind you that these are like being in the courtroom. So I realize that your health is not great right now, but next time, necktie, please.
Yes, I will, Judge.
You take care of yourself. Be well.
All right. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Good to see you. Take care of yourself. Be safe too while you're at it. Right now is a bad time to be getting sick.
Yeah.
All right. You are excused, sir. You'll be getting the notice.
All right. Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome. Take care.
Your Honor,
Yes, ma'am.
I just received a text message from Attorney Thomas Healy. He says he's still in district court. He's gonna log on in a few minutes. He wanted for us to send the plea paperwork on his client.
Okie dokie. Meantime, I guess we'll declare, have you checked on Joseph Aguilera to see if he was reset?
He was not, Judge. It was not reset. I was gonna
Okay.
call him next, but I wanted to get Ms. Rivas's attorney situation settled.
No
I
problem.
was gonna ask you if you could mute yourself so I can call you, so I can tell you something.
Yes, ma'am. Patricia,
Yes, Judge.
on Rochelle Mitchell with Mr. Aguilera.
Yes, sir.
Lister is the FTA.
Yes, sir.
So we've got one matter, two matters left on this morning's docket. The inmate, Ms. Rivas, and the issue on James Tochi, his client.
Right. Miss Espinosa is back, Judge, from conferring with her client. You had originally said to reset it 30 days for pretrial conference.
Okay. Has she got anything different to say about it?
No, Your Honor, that's fine. 30 days is fine.
Alrighty. Then you're excused. You'll receive your notice.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
You're
May,
welcome.
Mr. He could be excused as well.
Stay safe and you're excused.
Thank you, Your Honor. Stay well as well.
Thank you.
Is her client excused too, Judge?
Yes, of course.
Thank you. Have a good day.
You too. Tochi and I should say Rafael Villarreal and Ms. Rivas. Okay, we're in recess